What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So in my last two videos, I went to Slammed Enough Gat, had a ton of fun. Unfortunately, all that stuff at the end happened, but it is what it is. I'll leave a link to part 2 right here. But yeah, as you guys see from the thumbnail, I will be putting a carbon fiber hood on the car, which is right here. Okay, so I actually bought this hood about a month and a half ago, and I really wanted it to be here in time so I could put it on before GAT, but it is what it is. I'm still glad that it came. So as you see from the thumbnail, I did order this from Alibaba. When I was looking to get a carbon hood, I think other places it was like $1,200, $1,500, but then on Alibaba it was like $400 plus shipping, and I think it averaged out to like $650, $700. So I was like, so what's the worst that could happen? Like, either I'm not happy with it, I can return it, or it actually comes out good. So I went ahead and bought it. Like I said, I really wish it came before it gets so I can put it on the car, but it is what it is. Now, the reason for me getting the carbon hood is, for one, I do hit back roads a lot and stuff, and as you can see, there are paint, like chips and stuff in my hood. And then for two, like, it looks more aggressive. It has the V8 hump, it's carbon, it has the little scoop right there. Like, it just looks a lot more aggressive. And then black on carbon just like hits, bro. Like, this is gonna look amazing on the car. So super excited. Right now what I'm waiting on is my homie to pull up so he can help me, because I don't want to do this by myself and like drop it or break something. But until then, I will start like disconnecting like I think like the window wiper fluid connections and stuff. So I'm gonna start on that. And then once my homie gets here, we'll end up transferring this onto the car. But if you are interested in ordering this, I will leave a link to this below. If you have any questions or anything like that, just ask me in the comments or ask me on my Instagram or whatever. Instagram will be in the description below as well. But yeah, any questions y'all have, just hit me up and I'll answer them for you. I do just want to say real quick, I will not be doing like an entire walkthrough, like describing exactly what I'm doing. But I will link down below the video that I am using as a reference. But yeah, let's get the hood on. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, the hood is on, bro. This shit looks so good. Oh my god. So I will say one thing, the quality is good, don't get me wrong. The one thing I will say though is I'm messing with the fitment at the moment. As you can see, there's like slight fender gaps here. What I think it is the hood latches. So what I'm gonna do when I get home, I'm gonna like tighten the hood latches down some more, and maybe that fix it. But honestly, the fitment is really good for the most part, and the carbon looks amazing in the sun, bro. Like, look at it. So I ain't gonna lie, honestly, if you can wait about 4 to 6 weeks for it to come in, I definitely say purchase it. The quality is good, the fitment is good. But if you're impatient and you want to spend an extra $400, $500, go ahead. But I ain't gonna lie, I would definitely recommend ordering going through Alibaba. But like the vent look good. The quality is amazing. As you can see in the sun, it's hidden. But yeah, man, I will leave a link to the hood in the comments below. Shout out to the homie for helping me. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe if you have not already. But that's gonna be it for this one. Peace out.